And today I'm going to show you how to draw a firework folding surprise. Subscribe and like. So fold the paper in two and then from the down fold, put the fold up. You need to crease that nicely after that. Then you have to draw a triangle and then curve it to join. And then make two lines, curve it and join it. And then make two slanting lines. And for like the fire, you have to do that. And just do it one more time. Then you have to extend that line and make some zigzags or something if you want. Then you have to write any words you want like boom or happy birthday or happy new year. Anything, any celebrations or any words. Then you have to just flip the paper and from the downfold just put it up. So we get a line over there. So just outline your text and then we have to color it in. Now I was coloring the outside, now I colored the inside. Wow! That boom looks good. I also made some lines over there also. Did you have fun? Oh, the rocket's flying. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye.